Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr.V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to use pen tool in Photoshop. Go to Photoshop, go to pen tool, press right click on it and choose pen tool. Let's select the slips. First, select your first point and the second point still press on the mouse, the, the left click, and you can move it like whatever you want. If you press on shift, the angle will be straight like x-axis and y-axis. Or 45-degree. Press and move. If you want to change this color, press right click, then go make selection, then press OK. After that, let's make a solid color. Choose what color you want. Let's choose this one. Press OK. Go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur and convert to smart object. Then let's convert it like this. Okay, let's make it 12 and press OK. After that, let's change it from normal to whatever you want. Let's make it multiply or soft light. Before and after.